Today we're showing you a 2000 John Deere 4500 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with a John Deere 460 quick attach front end loader. This tractor was traded in locally, has approximately 1,000 hours on it. The hour meter quit working at 850 hours. Previous owner estimated he put another 150 hours on it since then. That was about 6 months ago. The tractor's in nice shape. Loader's quick attach. The bucket is quick attach as well. Tires are in good shape. Fronts do show a little wear, but are still good overall. Backs are still in real nice shape. A little bit of weather checking on them. This does have the power reverser transmission. And again, the hour meter is blank. We do have a new instrument panel to put in there, so that will be replaced before the tractor leaves. A little bit of rust there on the bottom floorboard there. 12-speed transmission. You got 4 gears on the lever right beside the seat. 3 ranges back behind the seat gives you a total of 12 speeds. It's up over here in the fender. Again, you can see a little weather cracking in the tires, but tread is not wore down much at all. You can still see the print on the tread. 540 PTO, 3-point hitch. Top link goes with it. It's a nice, clean, good running little tractor. Absolutely no known issues with the tractor. This is prior to all the Tier 4 emissions. We do take trades, also offer trucking and financing. If you have any questions, please contact us.